In today's video, we will be showing you one surprisingly easy way to make money straight from Google. We will be teaching you how you can make up to $250 in literally just a few minutes by using Google. Now, we know that most of you watching our video today use Google in your everyday life, but we bet that you didn't even know that you can make a lot of money with Google, didn't you? We also know that a lot of the big time people out there will hate us because they're making so much money off of today's method and they don't want other people to know about their little secret. But because we discovered today's method, we are going to share it with you right now because we want you to earn money the way that we are earning money, and that is why we're even here in the first place. Now, today's method is no joke because, as you all know, we only serve you 100% on this channel. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step to today's method is to go on your default browser and then proceed to type in start.askwonder.com. This is what you should see on your screen next. Now, basically, what this website offers is an opportunity for us to become a researcher. As you can see over here, this website is effortless and flexible. It has a fast turnaround in a way that this website works while you sleep, combining quality with speed in a proprietary process to get you what you need pronto. There is unlimited scale on this website, 6,000 plus analysts available at the push of a button. Now, this website enables massive scale for the most challenging and sizable projects. And of course, this website claims to be hassle-free. It says you ask and we take care of the rest. We assemble an A-team on the fly so you don't have to find, train, or manage anyone. Now, this website has been around for many years, and over the years, they've been working with a lot of very big brands, as you can see over here. So this is definitely legit. So basically, we're going to be showing you two ways to work this website. So we're going to show you a simple way, and then we're going to be showing you the smart way, which is the way that all of the big earners coming from this method follow to make such a killing income. Literally hundreds of dollars in 10 minutes and 20 minutes. Very big income in a very short amount of time. And we're going to be discussing all of that in today's video. Basically, the way this website works is that there are people out there who want to know or learn certain things, but they are too lazy to do their own research. So that is where you come in, and that is how you're going to earn your $250 and even more. The first thing we want you to do to start the entire money-making process through this website is to sign up. So go ahead and click on Become a Researcher, which should be on the upper right corner of your screen. Now, once you click that, this is what you should be redirected to. As you can see, it says earn money using your brain, work when you want, and learn, expand your resume and your mind. Now, join our community today. This is a 5-minute application, so it doesn't take too much of your time at all. So go ahead and provide your first and your last name, your email address, a password, and the city that you live in. Once you've filled all of the sign-up details being asked, go ahead and confirm that you are not a robot by clicking on the box and then agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on Start Application. Now, if you scroll down on the webpage that we are currently on, you can see the 4 main steps on how this website works. Number 1 is that after you sign up, you should visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. Number 2 is that you will be assigned a request to work on. Number 3, you are going to then find answers or sources and synthesize your findings. And number 4, submit your work and celebrate your earnings. So we're going to take you through all of these steps, so don't worry. Also, we will be throwing in some tips and tricks here and there to triple your earnings. That's why you make sure to pay close attention and watch this whole video if you want to be able to find out about all of those tips and tricks. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now when you're on your homepage, we want you to scroll down a bit until you see this. You will see some sample research that you might be given when you are officially working. Now what we want you to do is choose from any of these examples, whatever it is you'd like. Okay, this is just like a demonstration. Now we're going to choose this and then highlight it and copy it. Once you've copied it, we want you to open up google.com and then paste that question on the search bar and then hit search on that. It's so simple, right? Now all the questions that you may encounter, you can just paste it on Google and then look it up there to find out the answer to the question. Now as you can see over here, there are so many results to the question. So what you want to do is explore the first 10 results and then copy important information from those 10 sources that answers the question and then paste it all on one document. And we want you to paste all of that on Google Docs. Just go on google.com again and type in Google Docs and then go ahead and click on the first result on there and then you'll see this. And then you should just click on blank over here and then this is where you should paste all of the information that you have that is coming from the 10 results or sources that we were just talking about earlier. Once you've done that, what we just told you to do, once you think you're ready, you can go ahead and submit and then earn $10, $20, up to hundreds of dollars by just doing that. So if you go back to our main website and to the sample research, you can actually click on view over here and then you will see what the answers or the research should look like if you were to start on your own. So you will see a lot of information answering the question being asked, and whatever it is you see over here, this is how you should make your submissions as well. A lot of information, but most importantly, answers the main question. That's the most important thing that you need to keep in mind. So basically, all of the questions that you might encounter, the way you're going to answer those questions so that you'll get paid is all through Google. It's as easy as copy pasting, literally. You can read through all of this to get some more input, but once you've understood all of that, you're pretty much set. Just make sure that all the information that would be helpful to the question being asked should be included in your submission as much as possible. Also, take note on the format of the sample research because you need to follow the format as much as you can. But that's basically it, and that's all you need to know to get started on this great money-making method that will literally have you earning hundreds and hundreds of bucks, especially if you're consistent with it. Now this is the simple way to do it, and the one that requires you to actually do the work yourself. Now if you really don't want to do the work that's needed, but still want to earn from today's method, then we suggest that you go on microworkers.com. And what you're going to be doing on this website is you're going to hire someone to gather your data for you and do all the research for you, and then just pay them around $1 or $2 and they would be more than willing to do that work for you. As long as you pay them, of course. And just like that, you're earning about $100 by letting someone else do the work for you, and you're only having to pay those people that you hired a few dollars from the rest of the $100 that you are earning. Now that is working smart, and that is what we want you to do. And that is it for today's video. if you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.